Samsung Galaxy A15 5G A series cell phone, 128 gigabytes unlocked Android smartphone, AMOLED display,
Buy now,
expandable
link in
storage,
description,
Knox
and
security,
please subscribe
super
to
fast
my
charging,
YouTube channel
US
and
version,
press the bell icon.
2024 blue black. Your content, super smooth. Whether watching shows, playing games, or reading online, the ultra-clear, super fluid display Superscript 1 of Galaxy A15 5G brings your content to life. Plus, Vision Booster lets you to enjoy the bright 800 nits screen experience. Store more and worry less. With improved internal storage of up to 128 gigabytes and up to 1 TB Superscript 2 of expandable storage, Galaxy A15 5G makes it easy to keep cherished photos, videos, and important files readily accessible whenever you need them. Manage personal data with confidence. Securely manage your files and rest easy knowing your sensitive data is safeguarded with the fortified layers of Knox security. Live fast. Charge faster. Focus more on the moment and less on your battery percentage with Galaxy A15 5G. Super fast charging Superscript 3 powers up your battery at lightning speed, so you can get back to life sooner. A digital wallet is already in your Galaxy. Carry your essentials conveniently in the digital wallet that's made for your Galaxy phone and watch.